Hello, this is Jason with PokerAtlas, and in this video I am going to demonstrate our automated must-move functionality in hopes of helping you improve the way you manage your must-move games using PokerAtlas. We will start by going into Desk Views, then Poker Waitlist. As you can see, I've already set up our must-move scenario with one full game and 12 names on the list. Now, we are going to open up our must-move table. To do this, we will left-click on the table we want to open, left-click the must-move option under Open Table, then select Open Table. Notice how the must-move button is now highlighted blue, and also notice the must-move icon on the table grid. For this demonstration, I will be manually adding our players to the table. However, you will most likely see this happen in real time as a dealer swipes players in at the table. You do not need to worry about the order in which players are swiped in, as they will stay in order on your must-move list with the must-move indicator next to their name. If you are adding a guest to a must-move table, you will need to do that manually, as I am doing here. Don't forget you can also change their name from the table view. I'm going to switch over to the player-facing waitlist for reference. Please keep in mind that it is optional to display or not to display your must-move list. Now we are going to demo what to do when a seat comes open on your main game. For this demonstration, I will manually clock out a player on the main game and move the next player over from the must-move table. In real time, you will most likely see the open seat indicator on your desk view, or a dealer will announce seat open and remove the player from the touchscreen. When the dealer swipes in the moving player, they will be added to the table and removed from the must-move list. We now need to fill our seat on our must-move table. To do this, we just simply page the next player on our list, and when they are swiped in or added to the table, they will be added to our must-move list. When you are ready to close your must-move table, simply left-click on the table, left-click the must-move button to turn it off, then select Close Table. Most likely your players will have already been removed from the table by a dealer. If not, when you close the table, all players will be clocked out at the same time. And that wraps up our demonstration of automated must-move functionality. Thank you for your time, and stay tuned for more videos from PokerAtlas.